What's going on?
Everything is shaking! Huh? Oh no! Trackodile, are you alright?
Johnny, the town hall has collapsed due to the earthquake and we're trapped.
I got you, buddy. Can you wait until help arrives?
We'll try.
Hi, Johnny.
Guys, you have to help the inhabitants who are in danger after the earthquake.
Sure thing, Johnny.
We got this. Oh no! What happened here?
Everything's been destroyed.
We can't keep going with those rocks blocking the way.
Don't worry, I'll take care of them.
Good job, Bill! Now it's my time to work.
Aha!
Yep. All done. Now let's rescue everybody.
They must be around here. Huh?
Someone help us!
Eh? Tracko? Is that you?
Bill, I'm so glad you're here.
You have to get us out!
Don't worry. My drill will take care of the rubble. Watch out, friends.
Yes! Thanks, Billdozer, but Trackodile and Bob are still under the rocks.
I know. I'll take care of it. Ah. Oh, how are you, Tracko?
I'm good. I'll help you with these rocks. Aha! Look who I found!
I can't do it alone, guys.
Hi, Trackodile. Everything okay?
Johnny, I need help! There's been a second earthquake!
Don't worry, buddy. Activating power up. Huh? Ah! Help me!
Now, you're safe.
Thanks, Trackodile. Huh?
That was close. Help! Huh? I'm coming, pal. Now that's what I call teamwork.
Great job, guys. You saved us.
Huh? Well, I think we still got a lot of work to do.
Let's get to it.
I think the new building will look great here.
No! Oh, no! No! Oh, no! Billdozer! Are you okay?
Oh no, he's gone crazy!
We have to call for help!
Hi, Bob. Everything okay? Johnny, Billdozer hurt himself and now he's acting all crazy. Don't worry, Bob. I got you.
Hi, Johnny.
Guys, Billdozer is wreaking havoc. You need to check on it.
Bulldozer? Our Bulldozer?
Yeah, he's injured, and he could be dangerous.
No worries, we know what to do.
And Billdozer did all this?
See it for yourself, Tracko.
Help! Someone help me!
Oh no! He's got Batfly! We have to rescue her!
Tracko, you take care of Billdozer while I go get Batfly.
Come on, you can do it, Tigers!
Now let's help Tracko.
Hello!
Be careful, guys! He's already hurt!
This isn't working. He's fast and strong.
We need to try something else.
Guys, I think we lost him!
He must have gone that way. Let's go get him. Bulldozer, please don't do this. I promise I'll give you free ice cream.
If we want to stop him, I need to be faster.
Hi, Tracko. Are you all right?
Johnny, I need your help to get Billdozer.
I got you. Activating power up.
Now we're talking! Batfly, Tigers! Distract him while I trap him!
Come on, Tracko. Now's your chance.
There you go, pal.
Now let's get this big boy to the hospital.
You should be feeling okay now, buddy.
No, he's still crazy.
I'm just kidding, Tracko. I'm fine.
Oh, you won't laugh so much when you see the mess you caused. Yep.
Woohoo! Yes! There's nothing like good training.
Already tired, Tigers? Come on, let's do one more round. Don't push it, Tracko. We need rest too. I know what I'm doing.
Hi, Tracko. Everything all right?
Johnny, we were training and we had an accident. Please send help.
Don't worry, buddy. I know just the guy for this.
Hi, Johnny.
Bulldozer, the rescue squad needs you.
Of course they do. No worries. I got this, Johnny. I take the day off and they go crazy. Guys?
Bill, help, please! Tracko caused a landslide, and now we're trapped.
Accidentally caused a landslide. Almost there, Bill.
Everyone okay?
that sound?
Come on! Oh no! My trunk is broken!
Ah, we're stuck.
Don't worry, guys. I'll get you out of this. Yay! You go, Tracko! Huh? Aha!
No way! Not again.
Oh, how are we going to get out now?
I know what to do.
Hi, Daggers. Are you all right?
Johnny, we all got stuck in slime. I need your help to get out.
I got you. Activating power up.
Much better. Let's get to this.
Whoa! You go, pal.
I'll get Bill out first so that he can help Tracko.
Oh. Yes! Great job, Tigers.
Time to get these two out.
Huh? Heh.
Just a bit more. Good one, Bill.
Finally, everyone's okay.
Well, that was one interesting training session.
That wasn't me.
Hello, hello, hello. Goodbye.
Come on, Rhino Jocks. Let's finish this building so we can have some rest.
Oh, earthquake! Take cover, Bob!
No, my building!
Yahoo, Parker! What's going on? No! Ouch, my ankle!
Ed, are you okay? That earthquake was really strong.
Johnny, I need your help! I was doing some super cool parkour by the mountain when the ground started moving and I hurt my ankle!
Huh?
I can't move and I'm stranded on a high rock!
Hold on, Ed. Help is on the way. Another call? Johnny, I need the rescue team. Ed, quick! Ed, you too? The earthquake brought down the building I was working on. It's a mess over here. All right, hang on there. I'll send the team to help you both. Guys, the earthquake made some real mess today. Batfly, you'll go to the desert to help Ed. Billdozer, you give Bob a hand in the city. And we don't have time to lose.
Let's go!
glad you're here. Ouch, I can't walk. Don't worry, Ed. You're with me now. Watch out! Quick, grab the rope. Wow, that was so thrilling! You did it, that fly. You saved me. No worries, Ed. Let's get you to the hospital now so Dr. Joe can have a look at that ankle. Huh? Wonder how Billdozer's doing.
Phew, that was a tough one. This is the last pile of junk, right, Bob?
Yes, you worked super quickly, Bulldozer. I'm impressed.
I'm surprised. Were you working here all by yourself when the earthquake happened?
Now that you mention it, Rhino Trucks was here with me when everything started, but I haven't seen him since.
Anyway, let's wrap this up. Huh? What is that noise?
Rhino Trucks!
Oh, help me, guys. I got stuck under this pile of trash and I can't get out.
Don't worry, Rhino. I'll get you out of there. Wow! Oh! Ah! It's too big. I'm gonna need some extra help.
Bulldozer, what do you need?
Johnny, Rhino Trucks is buried under some rubble, and a huge rock has got him trapped. I'm gonna need some help to move it.
Don't worry, buddy. I got you covered.
A drill? Great idea, Johnny.
Don't worry, Rhino. You'll be out of there in a jiffy.
I'm almost done.
Huh?
Bullseye.
I'm free! I'm free!
Rhino is so relieved that you're okay. Thank you so much, Billdozer.
Guys, how did it go? Are you okay?
We're fine, Bill. Dr. Joe said I just have a sprained ankle, so I'll be doing my Parker moves before you even notice. Yeah, no one is going to miss that.
It's training time. I'll be the strongest AnimaCar on the team. Okay, Tracko. Jump this tiny little canyon, and you're done for the day. Uh-oh. No! Oh, come on! I might need some help here.
Hi, Trackodile. How's it hanging?
Just fine, Johnny. I was training in the desert and I thought, why don't the other guys come too? I'm hanging from a cliff so they can bring me down and then we can have fun, you know?
Tracko, are you in trouble?
Me? Trouble? Are you out of your mind?
Okay, let me call the others.
Hi, Johnny.
Wheel of it, Billdozer. Trackodile's in the desert, and something tells me he may be in trouble.
Of course.
On our way, Johnny.
Do you see him, Bill?
Eh?
What? Very funny. Just know that I can get out of here whenever I want to. I'm just stretching.
Of course you can.
Come on, Billdozer. Let's bring him down. You know what? I don't want your help. Come on. You're gonna fall, Trackodile.
Come on, Wheelfund. Let's get below to catch him if that happens.
Here we go. What? Yeah! I did it! Who's laughing now, guys? Guys?
Help! Help!
Bulldozer! Wheel of Fare! Where are you?
Tracko, under the rocks.
You have to help us out.
What? How did you get there?
Really?
Oh, I see. I got you there. Okay. That's the only way out, but I need, a boost! Johnny, can you hear me?
Trackodile, are you alright?
Billdozer and Wheel of Fate are in trouble. I tried to do everything on my own and I put them in danger. I need the power up to get down from this cliff and help them.
There's no time to lose, Trackodile. You're ready for it.
Let's do this. Aha! I'm coming, guys! Wheel of Fate, Billdozer, are you alright?
We're okay, Tracko, but we can't move.
Not to make you hurry, but I'm a bit claustrophobic.
Don't worry, I know what to do. You did it, Trackodile!
You saved us! From the mess you got us into, but you saved us!
I'm sorry, guys. If I hadn't been so proud, I wouldn't have gotten you in danger.
Don't worry, pal. We're sorry, too.
We shouldn't have laughed at you. I wanted to be the best AnimaCar in the world, but I couldn't do it alone.
That doesn't matter, Tracko. You asked for help when you needed it.
And you helped your friends when they needed you. That makes you the best AnimaCar in the whole universe. Huh. You're right. I'm the most amazing AnimaCar of all. Yeah! Huh.